today I'm working on the landscape and the septic tank to get through this jungle. This is all on the side of the house. It's so overgrown that I'm meeting with the landscaper to come and fix it, cut it, trim it. As you can see, there's just so much overgrowth everywhere. It's probably going to take a week to clean it up, but it's everywhere. But let's look at the septic tank. So it's not just the pumpkin patch I got to worry about. I got to get these houses rented, as that's all part of the actual financial performance of the property. Check this out. Brand new septic tank for the property, which is great. Looks like it's a little bigger than the last one. Anyways, we got to start earning some money around here. Get these houses rented. Lots to do, lots to do. So today we got vinyl flooring going in. Landscaper came over to give me an estimate on the landscape around the houses, and the septic tank is being hopefully finished today. So big day, but has nothing to do with pumpkins, but it all has to get done. Let's see if there's any figs on this thing. I think they're coming. They're late, it seems like. But yeah, a lot of figs are coming. They're coming, they're coming. Let's go inside the apartment here and look at the new vinyl flooring we're putting in. What's happening, big guy?
What's happening, brother?
What are we putting in over here?
That's some vinyl flooring, plank flooring, snapping.
Nice.
Pit resistant, scratch resistant, lifetime warranty.
All right.
So with
This
that
is
side,
in the little house. Got to get it ready to rent. It's looking good.
Yes, sir. After that, I'll snap on the crown molding. And these little 3 pieces right here that was in there, I don't like, so I'm going to take those out and just continue the flooring up to here. Put the transition piece on there.
Perfect.
Yep.
All right, big guy. It's going to look great.
You got it, brother.
Can't wait to get it rented. What do we got going on here? Taking out the carpet. Look at that. Old carpet out, hauling it away. Onward with the new stuff. Let's go. Let's get this baby rented.